Where's this guy
You just left
at?
us? Oh, cool.
Oh god, can you ever stop?
Dude,
For
what
help?
I literally saved your ass, buddy, so just don't complain.
No, no. The only reason we died is because you ran away. Like, just do it again.
The next ring is
God,
not
you're
close.
so
Good
cute.
to
You
know.
were first
Thanks.
time and won the team.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Can you explain?
He's right to your
There's
left.
someone there.
You gotta shoot him.
You're a bot.
Reference banner.
Oh my god. Fuck! I'm gonna close it. You can revive me. You can revive me.
Leo, I will assist you.
Oh, he came in. Oh, clean.
Yeah, can you give me a thing maybe? Can you come in there after this game? Because I'm like I have like 7 squads left.
Oh, this guy's following us. He wants to
I
loot.
love loot.
He's on our team.
Buds McDinky? Oh, you got kush? You got kush?
Golden and
Oh, I could use that.
Round 1.
Oh! Oh my god, dude, I'm on the train again. Come help me, Brandon. I'm trying to get off. I'm trying to. No, he does me on the
my
train.
God.
Oh my god, I'm trying to get off. No.
You said
Everyone else fell.
I didn't. I'm the best.
Sipping P, I'm coming, bro. Somebody help me, bro. I'm gonna die trying to get you down. Whatever. Give you dab. Get your ass up. Just get back behind the house and help your squad. I see you in the house. Yeah, let's help. Redeem yourself with this life I gave you back, bro. Revenant. The Revenant, yo.